Metric Stream is hiring candidates. In this video, let me see what are all the eligibility criteria and some other information about the Metric Stream. First, let me see. Metric Stream is a market leader in enterprise-wide GRC and quality solutions. Its GRC platform is widely used in Fortune 500 and Fortune 2000 organizations in industries as diverse as pharmaceutical, high-tech manufacturing, energy, financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, food and beverages, and automotive to manage quality process, manage corporate policies, manage regulatory and industry mandated compliance and corporate governance initiatives. These are some of the informations about metric stream. Now let me see the eligibility criteria and other things. They are hiring candidates for the MTS, means a member of technical staff, and they are looking for B or B Tech, and the streams are computer science, information science, or information technology, electronics and communication, or MCA can only apply. Only 2021 batches graduates can apply for this role, and the job title is member of technical staff, and the job type is full time. The given location is Bangalore. The CTC offered is 6 LPA, which is a very good CTC, and they will be putting in service agreement for 2 years. Now let me see the eligibility criteria. Uh, the streams B Tech, the streams are CS, IT, and Electronics and Communication MCA, and you should have a minimum CGPA of 8 in 10th and 12th, and 8 in graduation, and they are preferring skills like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, ES6, RDBMS, and when it comes to operating systems like Android, iOS, technologies like SQLite and RESTful and Git technologies. And now let me see the job responsibilities. Like they're given like R&D, delivery, and support roles. Means you will be working under these things. Now let me see what will be the selection process. First, they will be conducting the online aptitude test, where the test link will be shared through email ID after your registration has been completed via the My Anatomy test platform, My Anatomy test platform, and they have given some of the important guidelines like online test will be sent to registered candidates who met the eligibility criteria. If you doesn't meet any eligibility criteria which have mentioned in this, don't apply for this job, because they will be sending only links for the people who are meeting the eligibility criteria. And the shortlisted candidates from the test should be available for the further interview process. Means they will be conducting the TR round and HR round via the online, and you want to participate in those interviews. And candidates should be available for immediate joining. Means you should join the company immediately, so prepare well based on this thing. And this is a simple registration form where you want to give your email ID, your full name, your contact number, and current location, your college details and graduation degree, and your branch stream, graduation year of passing, post graduation degree. If you have done any post graduation, you can mention here, and mention your graduation CGPA, 12th CGPA, and 10th CGPA. Do you have any if you done any internship, you can mention it as an experience here. And do you have any certifications or training? If you've done any certifications, you can mention those details in the given box. You've selected, do you agree for you want to say yes if you want a job. Otherwise don't say no, because they will be putting 2 year service bond. If you say yes only, they will be selecting you, so don't mention no if you want job. If selected, do you agree to join immediately? It's your wish, you can mention yes or no. If selected, do you agree to relocate to Bangalore? For this question, I will be saying yes. And after that, you want to click this box, and you have to submit this. And after that, they will be sending a mail. After couple of days, you will be getting the link where you want to attend the test, which means an aptitude test. After that, you can participate in the further interviews, TR and HR. The all the three rounds will be of like elimination round. So prepare well all for first round and other rounds too, so that you can clear all your rounds. All the best for your interview preparation, and I'll be giving the link in the description box below. You can use the link to apply for this job role. And if you want to, if you have any queries, you can ask me via the telegram. I will be giving the telegram link in the description box. You can use the telegram link to communicate to me if you have any queries. And also I want to mention an important thing: prepare your resume based on the skills that I have mentioned here. Like you should have at least the languages skills or operating system or technologies, or else if you have any other skills related to programming, you can mention here. So all the best for your interview preparation.